The QNAP TS-464 is a compact 4-bay NAS delivering strong performance, supporting up to 72 terabytes of storage, along with up to 4 terabytes M.2 SSD capacity for enhanced speed. Our goal today is to upgrade the QNAP TS-464 by installing two 2 terabyte M.2 SSDs, achieving a total of 4 terabyte SSD storage, which can be used either as cache to boost performance or configured as individual storage volumes. As you can see, we've already installed one M.2 SSD in the first slot and secured it properly with the locking clip. And now we can insert the second SSD into the next slot in the same way on the QNAP TS-464. You can verify the installation using a connected monitor or through the QNAP Management Interface, QTS. The QNAP TS-464 also features PCIe expansion slots, allowing you to add more M.2 SSDs using compatible expansion cards. QNAP offers various capacity options. It's recommended to check their compatibility expansion unit details, supported compatibility models, and M.2 SSD manufacturer lists found on the official QNAP website, where you can verify the latest supported hardware and configurations. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more technical videos.